Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. Today in this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the recipe at your home to drop your cough. So guys, I'm going to start this video, and here I'm gonna divide this video into three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, where I will let you know about the ingredients what we are going to use for our solution. And my second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity. Here I will let you know about the ingredients and what quantity we have needed. And my last part, it would be related to the procedure, where I will let you know what process you have to adopt to make this solution. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and we are going to start our first part of the video. Lemon juice, ginger and the honey. These cough drops are the great remedy when fighting a cold. These are having the anti-inflammatory properties that support yourself to fight against the cough. That was some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video, where I will let you know about the ingredients with the quantity. So guys, for the solution we have needed only 4 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the honey. Number 2, we have needed the lemon juice. Number 3, we have needed the ginger. And number 4, we have needed the sugar. So for the quantity, our first ingredient, honey, we have needed the 1 cup. And for our second ingredient, ginger, we have needed the 2 teaspoons, it's grated. And for our third ingredient, lemon juice, we have needed the lemon juice around a 1/4 cup. And for our last ingredient, sugar, we have needed in a grated form, and we have needed the 1/4 cup as well. So guys, that was the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video, where I will let you know about the process. Step 1, pour the honey, lemon juice and the ginger into a pot and whisk to combine. Step 2, set a flame to a medium-high heat and attach a candy thermometer to the pot. The mixture will boil up, so remove the pot from the heat when it happens and continue to whisk until the bubbles goes down. Step 3, return to a heat and continue doing this until the mixture reaches 310 degrees Fahrenheit. You will see the color changing and consistency getting thicker and dense. This is a 1-hour process. Step 4, once ready, carefully pour the mixture into a silicone candy mold and allow it to cool at room temperature until the candy was fully set and cool to the touch. This will take approximately 30 minutes. Step 5, remove the candies from the mold. Combine the powdered sugar in a small bowl. So there you have it, your own made cough control recipe. So that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with some other interesting solution. Till that time, take care.